Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about this hair from HerGivenHair company. It's a U-part wig. I did the unboxing of this hair some time ago. So today's video will be how I did a twist out. So you can see the result there already. It's so easy and I did everything in 2 hours. So this is the wig. It has combs on the front side, and at the middle I attached a clip that came with it, and you see the texture of this hair. So I'm going to hook this on a mannequin head. Because I'm about to twist the hair, I'm going to use water, a little gel and a brush. So what I'm going to do is to part a little section starting from the back, apply spray in some water, apply some gel, and I brush out. After that I begin to twist. I'm going to do 2 strand twists. So basically this is what I'm going to be doing, and afterwards I'm going to leave the hair to dry. Then I come back and unravel the twist. There is nothing much to this. This is simple, and it gave this hair a natural looking twist on my own hair. So I'll let you watch the remaining part of this video to the end. Everything I use in this video and the link to this hair is down in the description box, and there is a promo going on now, and I'm going to put all link in the description box also. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are watching me for the first time, and when you subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell you see by the subscribe button, so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be able to see it first.